Let's talk about Vasaka herb. Great for colds, flus, asthma, all kinds of phlegm. Great expectorant, also lowers cholesterol, and really no side effects. Really great stuff.
Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist. Get healthy now.
Hi, Dr. Paul Haider, Master Herbalist here. But today I want to talk about Vasaka. This has been around for a long time, but I think a lot of people don't know about it. Very common in Germany, Sweden, also India, and it really is great. It's inexpensive also, and helps with colds, flus, allergies, all kinds of different things. We'll get into that in just a second. If you like what I do, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please tell other people. I appreciate that. 75% of you don't subscribe. I appreciate you subscribing. And also, please tell others. And please watch those little ads at the beginning. They bring us a little money. I appreciate that in a great way. Well, Vasaka has been around for ages. It goes back to Indian, lore of healing. And it really does a great job. It's very inexpensive. I got this for $20. That's 100 capsules. 2 capsules is 1,000 milligrams, and really does a good job. And it really doesn't have any side effects as far as that goes, if you use it the way I recommend, and it really is good. I don't recommend for pregnant women because it does cause uterine contraction, so that's, one thing about it. But if you're not pregnant, it's really great and really fine. It's been used for coughs, colds, fevers, asthma, all kinds of things, anything to do with the respiratory tract. It's also dilates the bronchi, which is really great if you have asthma. That's really important also. It can also be used in older children, which is good, and adults in general. Also helps with lumbar pain, sprains, eczema, also arthritis and inflammation in the body, because it has a whole bunch of wonderful antioxidants in it, which really are healing for the body. It can be made into a cough syrup in combination with holly basil or tulsi and ginger. That makes a great cough syrup, and it really does a great job. And in some studies, actually, it shows that Vasaka was just as effective as codeine. It's just like, wow, amazing. Really effective for phlegm. If you got, all kinds of phlegm and you want to get rid of that, first of all, let's find out what's causing that. But if you don't know what it is and you want to get rid of it, Vasaka is really great stuff. Lots of vitamin C, and that helps as an antispasmodic, helps to reduce fever, anti-inflammatory. It's a dilator, anti-diabetic, and disinfectant, all kinds of things. Vitamin C is amazing stuff for sure. It contains all kinds of things, essential oils, fats, also resins and gums, and also proteins, amino acids, and lots of vitamin C. It also has lots of polyphenols and tannins and alkaloids and saponins and flavonoids. It also has a very bitter compound, which I'm not even going to try to pronounce, which is amazingly powerful anti-inflammatory. Also, together with tulsi or holy basil, it actually lowers cholesterol really well, which is great. And lots of people have high cholesterol. Yeah, like I said, not for those who are pregnant. It does cause contractions of the uterus. It's no big deal if you're not pregnant, but you don't want to have any problems whatsoever. It's also antibacterial, antifungal, and kills E. coli and strep and candida. It actually has to be the whole leaf. Extracts didn't seem to work very well for that. It also very powerful anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is the first step towards disease, so this really helps with inflammation. Also helps to protect the heart, and also is really great for the liver and protecting the liver. It helps with spasms and anti-allergic activity also it has, and really great. I recommend 1,000 milligrams in the morning and 1,000 milligrams in the evening. That seems to work for 7 to 10 days at maximum, and take, 7 to 10 days off and come back to it and do it again. I like to be on the safe side, This has been used for a long time with no side effects. But, I always believe with anything, you should take a break, except for things that are food. Studies show that this wonderful herb, Vasaka, is non-toxic and inexpensive. I got this bottle for $20. It's 100 capsules, 500 milligrams each, and 2 of them make 1,000. And so that's really inexpensive. Kind of recap everything. If you have a cold, a flu, asthma, anything to do with the lungs, this is fantastic. Also, it's a powerful antioxidant, helps with inflammation in the body in general. If you have some kind of disease process going on, give me a call at 831-869-9119. 831-869-9119. I would love to hear from you. Please give me a call. More than likely, we can reverse what you have going on and get you healthy and be extremely healthy like me. I don't take any drugs whatsoever, no pharmaceuticals. I don't believe in that. And my blood pressure is 110/60 the day before yesterday. Usually between 60 and 70. And so my blood pressure is great. I walk 8.5 to 10 miles every day. I do 100 pull-up crunches. You can get healthy too. Give me a call at 831-869-9119. Remember God, remember I love you, and I mean that with all my heart. But also remember you have power inside, and you can change your world and the rest of the world. Don't let anybody take away your power. Stand up for what you know is right, and let's all start loving one another, and we can change this world for good. I love you.